Hello friends, welcome back to G.Venkataswamy YouTube channel. I am SELVAKUMAR. I'm here to discuss the Concord. As we have already discussed enough details on the uses of Concord, and this is the right time to jump into the rules. And here we go, and it's rule number 1. When two nouns are connected by and, it is normally followed by plural verb. For an example, so Raja, here Raja is considered to be a singular noun where it takes singular verb. So it can be yes. So Raja is a boy. And when you add two nouns, and here it is stated that two or more nouns connected by, and this is and, connected by and, it means that Raja and Rani. So I have written two nouns here. One is Raja, another one is Rani, and you have connected two nouns using this and. Raja and Rani, it takes plural verb. So Raja and Rani are good friends. So this is rule number 1. To understand that two nouns connected by and, it takes plural verb. And I'll give you another example. So this is another example where I have written Krishna and Muthu dash to meet me. So whether it is wants or want. So this is two singular nouns or connected using and. So it should take plural verb, and it is want and not wants. And this is the second rule, where when two singular nouns connected by and together expresses one single idea, they are followed by singular verb. So I will give you an example. This will definitely help you to understand the second rule. So slow is considered to be a noun, and then steady is considered to be another noun. So two singular nouns connected using and it conveys one idea. And so we have to use singular verb here. It is slow and steady wins the race. And this is another example. Here it is bread and butter, and this conveys a single idea again. It means single thing. So bread and butter is my breakfast. Have you understood? This is rule number 1. Rule number 1 is very simple. When two singular nouns are connected by and it conveys two different people, and so it takes plural verb. And second one is two singular nouns, when it conveys one idea, when it expresses one idea, it takes singular verb. And this is rule number 3, where two or more nouns together refers to the same person or thing, the verb is singular. And it means that when two or more nouns, it refers to a singular person, alright, automatically we have to use singular verb. It means the teacher and guide. So the teacher is considered to be the guide, so the teacher, he acts as a guide also, so he is considered the same person. He is considered to be the same person, and so it takes singular. Alright, and this is another rule where you have to compare and study. It will be helpful in understanding rule number 3 and 4. And the rule number 4 is, if two nouns refer to two different peoples, and we have to use the definite article the or possessive pronoun my. So that should be a repetition of the definite article or the possessive pronoun my. So as in this example, the poet and the orator, so it means, so you have repeated the definite article, it means they are two different people. The poet and the orator are coming tonight. And if you fail to use this, if you have forgotten to use the here, it means the poet and orator, it is considered to be a singular. The poet is considered to be the orator, and he is a poet and also the orator, and so it is a single person, so it should be yes coming tonight. And here it is the teacher and the guide. If it is the guide, the teacher is now he's a one person, and the guide, he is another one, and so the verb changes accordingly. It means it takes plural here. So here the definite article, it plays a major role where it decides, the definite article, it decides whether the person is singular or it is plural. So depending on the person, we have to change the verb accordingly. So alright, have you understood the 4 rules today as we have discussed, and these are the examples. It will definitely help you understand better the above said 4 rules. And the example number 1 is Arun and his sisters. So it means 2 singular nouns are connected using and. So it takes plural of here. So Arun and his sisters are at school. And second one, the dog and the cat dash outside. So it is, I have used the definite article. It means the dog and the cat, 2 different things. So definitely it is plural, and so it takes plural verb. And next one is Anju and Sheila. Again the same one. Anju and Sheila dash want to see the movie. So it is plural. And I have already used the main verb, so definitely we have to use helping verbs here. Arunju and Sheila do not. So that is don't want to see the movie. So if it is Anju, what we have to use? I am going to erase this. So Anju dash want to see the movie. If it is Anju, and what helping verbs we should use? It means it is singular, and so do verbs, we do have do, does and did. So often we use do for plural and does for singular and did for all past subjects. So automatically it is singular, and so it takes does. Anju does not. Anju does not want to see the movie. So for plural, Anju and Sheila do not want to see the movie, and Anju does not want to see the movie. So both, next one is both you and I. You and I, it is plural. You and I are happy. And this is the last example I have given here. It is law and order dash an issue. Law and order cannot be separated. So it is considered to be a single idea where we have to use singular verb. Law and order is an issue now. I'll give you the last example. So can you answer me now? It is the secretary and the principal. So they are considered to be 2 different persons. The secretary, 1 person, and the principal, there's another one, and so it is plural verb. The principal and the secretary are in the meeting. So as I am going to erase this now it is the secretary and principal. It means that they are a singular person, and the secretary, he acts as a principal too. So the secretary and principal is in the meeting. So the use of the definite article plays a vital role in explaining this. If you repeat the definite article here, it automatically, what will happen? It becomes a plural subject, and so you have to change this. And this now another one example using possessive pronoun. My uncle and my So what will you use? What verb will you use here? Whether singular or plural. My uncle, my motivator dash tonight. So whether it is come or comes. My uncle and my motivator, they are 2 different. So I have repeated the possessive pronouns here. It is my uncle and my motivator, 2 persons. So definitely it should be come. Okay, and if I clean this, my uncle and motivator. So my uncle is the motivator, and so it comes here. So have you understood all the 4 rules? So, and if you have any doubts, do clarify your doubts and do ask me questions in the inbox, and I'm ready to answer all your questions. Thank you so much.